Good morning, and I would certainly welcome you all in another video of mine wherein now I'm going to focus on how to go ahead and add legends to my graph. Now, I'm going to maintain continuing with the same example, and in the last few videos, we have seen how to add the X and Y labels, giving title to the graph, and then I have even showcased to you how to proceed further with the annotations, and now I'm proceeding further how to go ahead and add the legend in the graph drawing that I have taken care of. Now here you would see that yes, it's a very simple one, no rocket science again. Now plt dot plotxz, then plt dot plot in bracket, simple bracket, xnt. That means that I want the graphs to be plotted for these two things. So here you can see in the earlier one we have already plotted for xy, so I have xy, then I have xz, and now I have got one more graph for xt also side by side. Now here you will see that yes, these are there. Now how to go ahead with the legend? Now I would say that yes, in this particular time and distance there are three cars which are moving, or they are racing with each other. So I want the label, let's say for the blue color it is meant for the car 1, the first car, and I would like to see what distance and how it is being taken care of. Similarly, for the orange color it would be for car 2, and for the green color it is car 3. So here once I acha. Now second thing that you have to understand is that in the coding you will even have to give the locations. Default is starts off from 1 2 3 4, and I'll be showcasing to you each one of them so that you are aware of it as to where. Now here first and foremost we have taken as 2, so let's see where 2 is. If 6 is there, how it would be, where 1 would be, what is the first location for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can continue and you can find out in this particular thing. See, whenever you are in the programming domain or coding domain, it is always necessary that yes, you are proceeding further with little bit of what we call it as testing, R&D. You should do that R&D so that you discover either new things or you are able to find out, okay, this is the location and this is how I need to proceed further. However, to be on the safer side, either you can place it at location number 2 because it's absolutely empty space out here, or you can place it at location number 5 or 4 so that the legends are clearly visible to us. Now that is the standard one that we need to do it. Since the position 1 is already populated with the lines out here, I cannot do it. However, if you are professionally designing your graphs, then be very careful that yes, you are showcasing it at the topmost on your right hand side. So that is the professional way. Now since it is not there, I'm showcasing either position number 5, that is location 5, or 2. I can proceed further and I can take care of it. So I'm going to stop here with the legends, and let me come up with yet another thing to, another topic wherein we can learn more about the graphs and everything. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.